Hey guys, welcome back. I just wanted to get a quick video done before the workers get here. This is the SampleSource the free samples that you can get from SampleSource.com. And I never noticed this before. I don't know if I don't know if I just didn't pay attention or what, but this actually shows you all of the samples that you can get. So you can see the ones that I got. I think I got 11 total, and I think there's a total of 24. Let's see. Yeah, 24. There's a total of 24 samples that you could have gotten for free. And I ended up with 11. You have to literally get on there as soon as it pops up. And a lot of the times, the email that you get, it doesn't get to you in time. Like, my email usually shows up, and then I'll go on there directly from the email, and we'll only get maybe like 3 or 4 samples. I mean, they go pretty quick, so you have to be fast with these things. The first one I got was the Welch's fruit and yogurt snacks. My kids love yogurt, so I figured, you know, that they'll probably eat that. I got a full-size can of Fancy Feast. It's the Creamy Delights Salmon Feast, so my cats are gonna thoroughly enjoy having that. I got a Bona Hardwood Floor Cleaner, original formula. It says it's water-based solutions are safe for you and our planet, so it's a nice size little bottle. Unfortunately, it's not going to do all of our hardwood floors because we have them throughout the house. But it's a cute little thing to try anyway. I got a Kashi Dark Mocha Almond Whole Grain Bar. Definitely something for the husband because I do not do mocha. And I don't like dark chocolate, and I know that sounds horrible, but I just don't like it. We got some Tim Hortons tea. Got orange. I never know how to say that word. Like pico. I don't know how to say it. Got peppermint, Earl Grey, and green tea. So I like that. I'm gonna have to, let's see, are they all? Well, that one says, the peppermint says caffeine free. The others don't, so, and I would say probably there's a coupon in here. Usually they have coupons. This one, no, this one does not. It's just a little flyer, so no coupon in there for that. The next one, full-size Uncle Ben's rice. It's basmati rice, and it's the Bistro Express, so it takes 2 minutes. And I think you just stick the whole pouch in the microwave and cook it up that way. You don't even have to add water or anything. So that's good. And yeah, the expiration date on this is for February 2019, so that'll last a while. And then, let's see, got a couple more samples. We got a Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleansing Cloth, and then you also have a $2 coupon for it. And then if you got the SampleSource box, I don't know if they did it for everybody, but if you got the Cetaphil samples, because there's two. There's the gentle skin cleanser, the moisturizing lotion, and then the cleansing cloth. And I got sent an email with a coupon in the email for $2 off as well. So that was pretty nice. And the last one I got was the Persil Pro Clean laundry detergent. You know, it does one load, but I always like having these samples because, I mean, you stock these samples up and you can do several loads of laundry. So if you're running low on laundry detergent, you just pop a sample out. And then you get coupons for some of them. I got the coupon for a free bag of Goldfish crackers. You buy 3 and save $1 on the Fancy Feast. And then you get a free carton, 1.89 liters carton of the So Fresh almond beverage, which will come in handy because, let's see, yeah, the expiration is July 31st, 2018 on it. And this will actually come in handy because my kids are supposed to be coming up this summer and they can't have regular milk. They have to have almond milk for my daughter most of the time. Rice milk. The boys can have rice milk as well. My daughter cannot because she's also allergic to rice. And they can have like the coconut milk, I think, as well. But they usually get the almond milk, and so, I mean, getting a free one, that's going to be very useful for me. So that is all of my samples that I got. Like I said, I got 11, and out of a possible chance of 24. So I'm not sure how many, how much everybody else got, but let me know if you were able to get any this time. Like I said, within the first hour, the samples are gone. I mean, I got it I went in there pretty quick and still only got 11. So, and if anybody knows, like, if you know the secret of how you get, if you get on there early enough, if you are able to get all the samples, what's the secret of getting all the samples? Because I've always wondered that, if you have to just click everything or specific stuff. Like, I'd be interested to know that, so let me know how you guys do it. So that is it for this video. I just wanted to get this one done real quick before they get here. I'm struggling to get my videos done. I just don't have time. I mean, they get here, usually they're here at 9 o'clock, and today they were going to be here a little bit later, so it worked out perfectly for me. But they haven't been leaving until like super late, so I just haven't had time to do any videos lately. Thankfully, I have some videos that were pre-recorded, so I'm still able to put videos up. But by the time this video, well, I'll probably going to put this video up in a couple days from now, and just so that you guys can see this. But by the time I get all of my pre-recorded ones done, uploading and stuff like that, all the renovations hopefully will be done by then. Let's hope so. But yeah, so this is what I got for this one, and looking forward to getting it. I think they do it like twice a year, I think, possibly. I don't know. I'm not 100% positive about that. I can't remember. I know they do one in the spring, but I can't remember if they do one in the fall as well. But anyway, so that's it for this video. I will see you guys in my next one. You guys have a great day. It's raining here, so it's kind of an icky day, but it's still, the temperature at least isn't that bad. So I will take it, I guess, because at least it's not cold and rainy. All right, that's it. Bye, guys.